So how the hell did I pull down $27,000 from a $19 front-end offer in just 1 week without a huge list? Well, it's because of this baby simple funnel that I'm going to show you today, and it did all the hard work for me. I'm John Benson, and this is Sales Copy Secrets. Welcome back to Grooveplex Studios. I'm back here yet again. Thank you so much, Mike Vilsame, and the link is in the description. Check them out if you are in Boca Raton. Now, I don't usually talk about how much money I make because none of your damn business. None of your business how much money I make. But I'm going to make it your damn business today because I want to see you see the power. I want you to get the power of the damn cheap front end. And I'm using the word damn over and over and over again for no apparent reason. Listen, anyone can create a $19 front end product. Almost anyone. Okay. You can sell anything that you know quite a bit about with nothing more than just one page of text if it's good enough information. So you don't need to produce a lot for that $19 front end. Now, before I show you what I did, let's look at how I did. Okay. Proof is in the pudding. Well, here are the results. Now, let me go over this page for you just a second. If you see me looking down, it's not because I'm not paying you attention. I love you. I cherish you. So glad that you're here. It's because I have to read stuff down here, okay? Because I don't have a photographic memory. Okay, let's look at what's on the screen now. Check this out. We did in from the 18th to the 25th, okay, that's a week, right? We did pretty damn good. 27,000, a couple of dollars on top of that, but I want you to look at a couple of things. The front end offer called Chat Bullets had 263 buyers and pulled in what? $4,997. Every other dollar on top of that was other stuff. And that's what I want to show you. I want to show you what we did here. Notice that there are two offers right underneath it. The first one had a 67% take rate and pulled in $3,338.82, almost as much as the front end. So not quite, obviously, but not bad. Now, all that was a box that somebody checked on the order bump. Okay, it's called an order bump, the order form rather, and it's called an order bump. I'm going to show that to you in just a moment, but I got one underneath it. And check this out. It only did 36%, but guess what? It's because we forgot to put it on there the first 2 days. So if we would have had this on there the first 2 days, we did the math on this, it would have done at least 55%. So it would have been even more money. So that right there, if you add the 3,300 with the 1,800, what do you get? I don't know. You get more than 4,900, right? So this is pretty much like having 3 front-end products. If you call a front-end product something as cheap as 19 bucks, which I do, by the way, because obviously it's working well. And that gives a lot of people the chance to come in and get to know you, kick the tires a little bit, see if they like what you have to say. And it really helps people that are struggling economically, right? They're in bad economic situations. And you want to do that. You want to pull as many people into your funnel as you can, because maybe they'll buy from you more 6 months or a year, or as we see, okay, boom, boom, boom. We got 3 offers on that order form, not just one. And that doubled the revenue. But look what happened after that. I had a one-time only offer, an OTO. Okay, one-time offer, one-time only offer. Those are what OTO stand for. Now, this is what's really cool about this funnel. This OTO offer went to 297 bucks. That's why the conversion rate was only 23%. Usually I get like a 50 to 60% conversion rate on my first OTO, but this one, half that. I'll take it any day of the week because look what it did financially. Financially, we had 57 people take it and it pulled in $17,000. So it just crushed the front end. And when all is said and done, we ended up with a $27,000 week. Now, do I have offers that convert better and do better? Sure, of course I do. Would most people love to have an offer like this and make this much in a week? Probably. Even filthy rich people wouldn't mind an extra 27 grand from a few emails to a very small list. So let's keep this real here. This isn't about how much I made or didn't make. Some will do better, some won't do as much, but anyone can do something this powerful with this type of baby simple sales funnel. Maybe not the same amount, maybe 10 times more. It doesn't matter. So maybe you do millions in a week and that's awesome. I am thrilled for you. This funnel can help you bump that even higher. And maybe you're struggling just to replace your day job income. That's cool, man. I've been there. You can do this. Anyone can do this. It may take you a bit longer to get the copy just right. I did start as a professional copywriter, obviously, but start with something. Get your first sale, okay? Then get your second sale. Aim for your first $100 week and then keep going. Just replicate that success over and over and over again. There's no reason why you can't apply what you learn here and succeed if you put your heart and mind to it. So what did I sell? Literally a 15-minute video and then my pre-prompt training that went with it, which basically is about a sheet and a half of paper. That's it. But the benefit it delivered was radically sexified through the use of clever copy and exactly what it is. It was a way for people to write sales bullets with literal copy and paste. And this baby simple sales funnel. Now, here's what's funny. Before this was a sexy VSL, okay, before there was something that I put a lot of time into, actually I only put a couple hours into it, it was just an order form with a headline. And it did $5,000 just sitting on YouTube before I ever sent out an email. So you might think that you need some elaborate production. Well, in fact, look below. If you had chat headlines, then you'd have all you need for a sales copy for an order form or for a headline, obviously. And you can get that for, guess what? $19. This is getting meta. It's blowing my mind. See what I did there? You'll probably see some cool stuff on that page if you go check it out. Now, when I did release a VSL, I wrote it in about an hour because it's super short. It's like 10 minutes long. And then I sent it out to a very small list and it worked because of the baby simple sales funnel that you just saw. And I'm going to show it to you here on the screen so you can see exactly what the flow is like. Okay, I'm back here in the man cave off camera and I want to show you what the funnel looks like outside of the ClickFunnels reporting. Here's what it would look like to you if you hit it. Okay, as you're going to see, the special offer expires. This timer is real. Once this timer hits 0, it actually goes to offers expired, so it's no BS timer. And as you can see, I've got a headline eyebrow, get your prospects hundreds of reasons to say yes to your offers. Okay, that's the positioning I used for bullets. Give them hundreds of reasons to say yes. Positioning is key. That's why you need to know copywriting. You can't just rely on AI. Yes, AI can do a lot of heavy lifting, especially with my courses below. Check them out. But I teach you copywriting and positioning and things like that because that's not what AI is good at. The headline, this 3-minute ChatGPT trick boosts sales. Notice this tilde. It means around 33%. Interesting choice of numbers, 33%. I just took some averages. So also weird characters. You've got quotes, you've got all sorts of cool things in this headline. And this is playing right here. Notice if I unclick it, it's gonna start right from the start of the VSL. The VSL was only 10 minutes and 25 seconds long. I'm gonna click Get Ask Access Now, and you're gonna see exactly what I did here. Now, I created as a test a headline out of chat headlines, by the way, and this subheadline came out the same way. Chat bullets, right here. I'm using my own stuff. Here, now, I didn't need to use my own stuff. I could have written this obviously by hand. And I wrote some of it by hand when I edited it. But you get the idea. This instantly gives your prospects hundreds of reasons to say yes. I just took the concept from the eyebrow, using the persuasion power of A-list sales bullets all right out of ChatGPT without relying on prompts. Okay, benefit. Retrains ChatGPT with pre-prompt models to ensure sales bullets create an urgent need to buy. It's all about an urgent need to buy. Notice how I don't talk about like, oh, become a better writer. Oh, it's the best thing in the world for copywriters to know how to write bullets. I believe that's true. I think it's the #1 skill you can learn, but you learn it because you want to sell something. And notice the very first bullet, sell, crank out, and improve. I use verbs in my bullets a lot, and I'll underline them. John Caples did this a whole lot as well. So sell more, crank out dozens, even hundreds of sales bullets with simplicity, without sounding like a chat robot, improve conversions from any copy you have. Order form, pretty straightforward, but here are the 2 bumps. So $19, that's all that was, okay? The initial offer, chat bullets, $19. Boom, I added that. Boom, I added that. Now we're up to $57, okay? And from there, I would go to the OTO page, which looks like this. There you go. Wait, your order is not yet complete. Please watch this quick video. I use this it's right out of ClickFunnels. It's a really good, simple, works like a charm. You don't have to think about it. Don't enclose this window or press the back button. You don't want to double order. So a little bit of warning there. And the same thing here. Now, this is an 11-minute VSL that I had written for a $297 upsell to something called the hook system, which works in really, really well with this offer. And that is it. That's the entire funnel. And that funnel did the $27,000 in less than a week that you saw. And it's still selling as we speak, starting with a $19 front end. Now, this right here is how I built a multi-million-dollar copywriting and copywriting offer business from home focused on selling low-end offers with solid funnels that are well-positioned. That was the secret sauce and how I got started. Before that, I was in the fitness business, and I did the same thing in the fitness business. You do not have to have a super expensive product. We have them for sure, but we have a lot of lower-end products like this that do really good volume, and people come from YouTube, people come from cold traffic, people come from my list, obviously, and this thing is selling and selling and selling, just like we have a lot of other offers that do that. But the only way for us to do that is to understand how to position it and how to write the copy for it. So I want to inspire you not just to write better copy, I want to inspire you to actually create your own offer. Start with something small. Even if it's $7, it's fine. Write something that you know on 5 pages of paper. That's it. Well, probably digital paper because we don't live in the Stone Age anymore, but you get the idea. And then I want you to sell it, even if you sell one of them. Put a little post on Facebook, make a video about it on YouTube. That's what you're watching right now, and sell something. You will feel like a different person when you get your very first sale if you haven't already. And hey, if you're making a lot of money online, try this super baby simple funnel. Add 2 order bumps to the order form and make the order bumps exactly the same cost as your primary product. Then go from that and add at least a zero, $197 to your one-time only offer. And I added a zero and another 100. So you can do that too. Add to $297. Like make a massive leap because you will get people that are more than willing to pay that $297. They just didn't know that you had it. But once they get in and once someone buys something, your odds of getting the next sale, even if it's much higher, go way, way up. So I want to see you do this. I want you to comment in the comments below and tell me, hey, John, I made my first product. Hey, John, I used this funnel and it really worked for me. I want to hear from you. Let me know how you did below. Check out chat headlines below if you want killer headlines out of ChatGPT. And I will see you next time in the next video. I'm going to help make you unignorable.